Python 2 Final Project by Summer Zhang. So my idea was inspired by an assignment I did in class. It was like an RPG assignment, and I got inspired by it. So this is just code from the really beginning of the game. So what I learned and used for my project, I used dictionaries and key membership. So a dictionary holds a key and a value. It was used for my enemies and my player for the game. And key membership is used to check what the key is in the dictionary, and like it's used to see like what if the item you want is in the dictionary or not. And for the code example, oh, hold on. Okay. This is an example of the dictionary. So it's basically the default character for the player, and it has like all the stats like the name, max health, attack, defense, level, XP, and money. And it just holds all the value like your name, like your health and stuff like that. And key membership and updating dictionary value, it's in this game, it's used to see whether what a player bought is actually available in the shop, and if it is, then it updates the player's stats like the money and the health. It will subtract the money and then add the amount of health that the player bought. And yeah, so the demo. So this is my code, my presentation, and yeah. So in the really beginning, it asks like whether you want to use the stats from your previous game or not. That's the save and load function, which will be talked about in the really end. It's going to ask for your name, so you're just naming your character. And it will show your stats and the health and the attack and defense and stuff like that. So first, I would go fight an enemy, and it's going to ask for like the difficulty. So I'm just going to choose the first one because it's like you're not strong enough to fight stronger enemies right now. So it will show what's going on in the fight, like me attacking the enemy and the enemy attacking me, and it will show like the health. And once one of us our health reaches 0, then we die. But in this case, it's the bandits or the enemy that's dying, and it will show what you get at the end of the fight, which is the 2 experience points and the $3, and it will show your stats again to see like for you to see like what you can improve on once you go to town. So going to go to town, and it's gonna give you 2 choices, either to increase your health or attack damage. I'm gonna go to the bakery to increase my health. So in the bakery, you can buy 5 different desserts, and you can just choose a random one. So your money will be subtracted from you, but you will increase by health, and it will say how much you increase by. And yeah. So now we're gonna try, and well, it's giving you 3 choices again. So now we're gonna do adventure over, and it will show your score. It's just experience plus the level, and it will ask, would you like to save your stats for the next time? And you can say yes or no. If you say yes, which I will, it will say saved, and it will be saved into a JSON file, which you can use for the next game. So that's pretty much it. And okay, back to the presentation. My favorite part of this whole presentation is the save and load function, because I think it's really cool that you can save what you did from the previous game and work on it again on the next one, like once you start playing again. So yeah. So how I can improve my project, I would make a storyline, because since I kind of wanted to be more RPG based, but I kind of did it more like more action based. So I would like to add a storyline and also defense. I didn't really work on defense for this project that much because we ran out of time, but I would add something in the shop where you can buy defense and also like increase the chance that your defense skill will be activated. And the final boss, once you get to a certain level, I feel like there should be a final boss for you to end the game. Thank you.
Okay, awesome. All right.